The second hair oil I'm going to show you is the Ambring Age Embrace Revitalizer. This is an oil that when used weekly, it can restore your natural hair's volume, and it can also enhance the health of it. And this oil is not greasy at all. It is with no chemicals. It has no mineral oils, no chemicals that will cause issues for you. And the ingredients of this oil include cow milk, sesame oil, Indian gooseberry, false daisy, licorice, essence oil of mandarin, and essence oil of peppermint. So with peppermint oil, it's going to revitalize your scalp, your senses. So I've already warmed up my oil. This is the bottle that it comes in, and compared to the other oil that I use, this one is of a browner color to it. And the way that I'm going to use this oil, let me take down my hair. It's a bit different because this one has to do with your senses, and I'm very interested in the way to use this oil because I've not used an oil that way before. So what you do is that you take your finger, okay, to your tongue to your nose, and your finger towards the middle of your hair, and that is where the massaging is going to start from. So I'm going to just take a little bit of the oil, and I'm using a cotton ball this time. Now we're just going to take the oil and I'm dabbing it in there. You can do it the same way that I did the other one, and I'm just putting the oil to my scalp, just literally just dabbing it to my scalp all over. So just get some more and just dab it to your scalp like that. So once I've finished applying it all over my hair, I'm taking my finger to my nose like that, and then I'm going to start my massaging gently. Okay, and massage towards the middle of my scalp. So you keep on massaging for the same time, 10 to 15 minutes. And also you can also massage your neck area with the oil. So just massage your neck area. So after you're done massaging and my scalp feels really good, you can also take some of the oil and also apply it to your hair. This is mainly a scalp oil, so I don't put this on my hair, but I just want to show you that you could use it on your hair, but this is mainly a scalp oil, and I feel, you know, rejuvenated. Now the last thing you do is you cover your hair for 30 minutes. Okay, you can cover your hair, you can leave it not covered, but I like covering my hair, and after 30 minutes you go wash it out.